Hi everyone, welcome to this video on subject-verb agreement. This is a fundamental concept in English grammar that ensures your sentences are clear and grammatically correct. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of how to match subjects with the correct verb forms. Subject-verb agreement is the grammatical rule that the subject of a sentence must match the verb and number. This means singular subjects take singular verbs, and plural subjects take plural verbs. For example, she writes every day. She is singular, so writes is singular. They write every day. They is plural, so write is plural. Here are the basic rules of subject-verb agreement. 1. Singular subjects take singular verbs. The cat purrs. Cat is singular, so purrs is singular. 2. Plural subjects take plural verbs. The cats purr. Cats is plural, so purr is plural. 3. Words that come between the subject and verb do not affect agreement. The book, along with the notes, is on the table. The subject book is singular, so is singular. 4. Indefinite pronouns can be tricky. Everyone is happy. Everyone is singular, so is singular. Few are chosen. Few is plural, so are is plural. Let's look at some common errors and tips to avoid them. 1. Collective nouns like team or family are usually singular. The team wins its game. Team is treated as singular, so wins is singular. 2. Be careful with phrases that start with there or here. There is a book on the table. Book is singular, so is singular. There are books on the table. Books is plural, so are is plural. 3. Titles of single entities take a singular verb. The United States is a large country. United States is a single entity, so is singular. Tip to remember: when in doubt, identify the subject and determine if it is singular or plural, then match the verb accordingly. Let's practice with a few sentences. Choose the correct verb form. 1. The dog barks loudly every night. 2. Each of the players are excited about the game. 3. The committee has made its decision. 4. Here are the documents you requested. Please add your answers in comment section below. Please pause the video and see if you can get them right. Following are the answers. The answer for the first one is barks. The answer for the second one is. The answer for the third one is has. The answer for the fourth one is are. To recap, subject-verb agreement is essential for clear and grammatically correct sentences. Remember to match singular subjects with singular verbs and plural subjects with plural verbs. Practice these rules and soon they will become second nature. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.